Welcome to Nebraska.
Welcome to Nebraska!
Bisaya Saad.
Official.
Hi guys, we are already in Iowa. Almost.
Right there's the sign.
So this is my second to the last state na puntahan. So this is the sign. That's the sign. People of Iowa, welcome you, Iowa. Fields of opportunity.
Fields. Welcome to Iowa. Welcome to Iowa.
So we are here.
They got a picture of like the farmer with the pitchfork.
There. So nandito na kami sa Iowa, guys. So I'm super happy. And then after going to Iowa, we will go to Nebraska. So 9 states out of 50, guys. 41 to go. 41 to go.
Lapit lang, push. Let's go. So we are entering Nebraska. My Nebraska guy.
According to Lady Gaga, hanapin ko yung mga paiksanan. Baka nandito yung paiksanan ni Lady Gaga, the Nebraska guy. Dalhin namin sa Missouri.
Look at that big bird.
Yeah, there's a bird.
Hey, look at those
So tingnan natin kung ano mga paiksanan sa Nebraska.
green things. Over them like that.
Probably. Okay, so that's it. So we're entering Nebraska. Nebraska. The good life. Really? Nebraska, the good life.
Welcome to Nebraska.
Welcome to Nebraska!
Continue on Nebraska.
Welcome to Nebraska.
Riverview. So yan guys, nandito na kami sa Nebraska. So, iba yung aura dito. Iba yung aura ng
It's like a
town.
little lazy town, like old fashioned.
So we're
Just passing through. We were thinking of going to Omaha, but we changed our mind. It saves me an hour, and we're still in. Take the next left on the first course. Kami ng Kansas City. Craft shows. May mga paiksanan dito, guys. Take the next left onto Central Avenue. There's always people. Maraming mga tao dito. They are not wearing. Some of them are not wearing masks. Oh, they have. There's like something. Chicken strips, fries, Indian tacos. Indian tacos are so good. They have like. They have a little festival. Yeah, there's like a festival here. Oh, huh? So, yeah. Go, people shit. Assholes shit. 4 weeks left time. In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination. We are in the downtown area. There's a festival going on here, obviously. Is it time for they're wearing the red too for that? It must be football time for the college, no? Overland Theater. Theater. How do you say it? Theater. Some people like say theater. Theater. Browns. So this is the downtown of Nebraska. City. It's a little town. I feel like they're gonna have a parade here or something. I think so. There's a lot of people wearing their caps and their boots and everything. The street tacos are everywhere. What the hell? What's going on? Steelers. Why is he super slow? Because those people were taking their deer fucking sweet time. Okay, so we are here in the park. Like, honestly, look at the building. Wow. There's something in there. What is the design? Is it like tree? Courthouse. I thought that's what it was. This is an old town. Oh, they have Shell here. Look at the old theater. Yeah, that's what the theaters are. The light is green. Hello, people. Why is it so hard to go? So, first time ko makita ng Shell. So, they have Shell here. Diba? You're right. May Pilipinas lang, may Shell.
guys, may mga paano sila dito, may festival ata.
Yeah, there is because there's people
Like police and they're doing something.
having a parade.
Emergency.
I think they're setting up for a parade. or
Yeah, I think
something.
so too. They're not wearing masks.
At the gas station.
So for sale, guys, $4,500.
That's way overpriced. We're thinking that's some kind of classic car, but it's like not that great.
They say the park has. Oh, they're nice. They said hi.
Sorry, I didn't know if you should wait.
I said like. I think they said hi because I was taking my camera.
Probably.
It's a
kind of a cute little town, isn't it? Cute little city. I need to find gas.
Guys,
Where?
what's the view? So may early mapafall na yung mga leaves dito banda. So where do you think you're going?
I don't know. I need to find a place to get gas though. Oh, they got their thing decorated for Halloween
It's
already.
Halloween already. Early Halloween. They're too excited. It's still September though.
I see gas, I think, up here.
What do you think they have? They have
Probably.
okay, so magpagas muna kami guys kasi we are down halfway tank.
Can you put this on your card, by the way?
Oh, there's a dog.
Oh, he's crossing.
Why is he there?
No, he's sad. It's kawawa.
Arte.
So kami sa Nebraska at of course para maging official ang pagpunta natin dito, we bought lottery ticket. Winner chicken dinner. So wish us luck.
More if they get a chicken or an egg. Chicken. Oh, you won already.
So I won something.
You gotta turn it in here because we're going to be leaving Nebraska shortly.
$1. $2.
Scratch the thing.
Wait, it is.
Yeah. And put your mask on and go in and get your $2.
Can you do it?
No, babe, just do it.
Because you bought it.
I won $2. So ayan, swerte tayo today guys. So yan guys, may $2 na tayo dahil nanalo tayo sa Nebraska. So aalis na kami sa Nebraska.
We forgot to get them in Iowa.
So we did thank you Nebraska for the $2.
And you have something to put in our scrapbook.
Hi guys, so ayan, so since nandito kami sa Iowa, we bought lottery ticket para maging official yung pagpunta natin dito. So kanina sa Nebraska nanalo ko ng $2. So let's see guys. So this is just $1. Tingnan natin.
I might be winning $2,000, diba? Winning number is
Wala po kami.
16.
They tell you where to scratch. There's the check. It says scratch to cash. Like where their thing is. Go, baby, go.
Oh, 6. 11.
What does that say underneath it? Oh, this is weird. The numbers, the way they wrote it.
21. This is hard.
I know, I thought so too.
Oh, almost. Ala.
Pero,
Kami ng Arkansas, nanalo din kami. I think we won like bigger. So,
I won in
yung
Arkansas.
pinanalunan namin sa
$4.
Nebraska
yeah, I
na
think.
$2 guys, binili namin dito sa Iowa ng $2. Wala kami. So, pabalik na kami sa Missouri. Kaya, we're going to Kansas City now. We like Kansas City. So, I wanna go to the Kansas City, the World War I Museum. So, napuntahan ko na lahat ng mga states, bordering states ng Missouri. So, congratulations! Na-achieve na natin yung mga dapat level 1 guys is the bordering states. So na-achieve ko na. So nakapunta na ako ng Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa. So all 8 states napuntahan ko na siya. So next goal is we will be like 2 states away from Missouri. So puntahan natin.
Congratulations at